I just got this new e-bike right here. It's kind of tough. For my 21st birthday, I'm gonna take it down this stretch of land right here. We're gonna see how fast we can go. All right, y'all, we all set? Get off me. All right, I'm about to hold the throttle down. We're gonna see how fast we can go. If my phone drop, I'm still gonna post it because holding this shit ain't easy. All right, let's go. We in the grass with it. Shit, we in the grass with it. I'm going 25 right now. Alright. 28. Gotta brake, there's a stop sign. Alright, good. $26. 28, 30. All right, we break.